Today, I want to walk you through the process of updating your site in one very specific way. I've got one of the elementary school sites that I manage, and I need to update the students of the month. This is January students of the month, and I just got last week the pictures of and the updated information for the February students of the month. So I need to change these. There's a really easy way to do this. And I'm pointing it out because it took me months to stumble across it. So I'm going to save you some of the trouble of having to start over every time. This is their homepage. This is the first thing that you would see on their site. So the first thing I've got to do is update this so that people know that this is not January anymore. This is February. Easiest way to do that is to open this up, because this is a hyperlink to a slide deck that's in another video that I've updated with each of the students of the month by grade level for each month. But that's another video if you're interested. So I'm going to double click on this to open it up and go to the pencil to edit that link. Now, I want it still linked to this page that's got students of the month on their site, but I needed to say something different. And I don't want to type it in this box and then have to change the link and change the formatting and deal with it. So if I edit it from right here, I can change. There's February students of the month. When I hit apply, it's going to do that right here. I don't have to type it right here and then go relink it and mess with. So that's the first change. Then I have 3 pictures. This is a grade level school. We've got 3 grades here to work with. And I need to change these pictures. Now I have those pictures saved over here in their own folder. They're already opened up to everybody that has the link on the internet can find and view them. I did that over here in advanced after I downloaded them from the email that the secretary sent me. These are public. I did that at the folder level. I discovered that saves me a lot of time. I don't have to go through each individual picture, because for 3, it may not be that big of a deal. For 10 or 15 or more documents and other items and pictures and things that you may get sent or may want to put on your website, put all of those things in a category, in a folder, open up the share settings on that folder, and you're done. So I have the pictures, I've labeled them, and I need to get this to where it's just this picture. So I'm going to click very carefully until I see these sizing handles. Notice I just have this box selected. I don't have the whole chunk of things. I'm not about to move second grade off into the distance. I just have this selected. When I do that, I'm going to get these options. I can crop it. That's the standard cropping symbol. I don't know if I need to crop the next picture, but I'm going to leave it at this shape right now. I can also uncrop it, which would take it out to full size, whatever that was. I could link this picture to the newspaper article if I had it, or the page, or more information about the grade level, or anything else on the site that I wanted to link it to. I could trash it if I've decided I don't need this tile at all. What I want, though, is here in the 3 little dots. This is more editing options. This is going to let me replace the image. Just like I could do on the set of slides, I can do it right here. When I replace that image, I'm going to go over here to select. Upload would be if you had it on your computer and needed to upload it. I don't have it on my computer. I have it on or in Google Drive. So I'm going to go to select image. It's going to open me up to where I can do it from a URL, search for it, find it in an album somewhere, or what I want to do, which is find it in Google Drive. This is going to be in recent. This is what I'm working with right now. And it should be something right here. So this was kindergarten and T1. I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to go down here and click select. And it's going to put that new picture in this place. From there, I can double click on it and move it around just a little, because I want everybody centered and looking professional. And can click on that, and there they are. There's Kinder and T1 for February. I'm going to click on the next picture, and see, I clicked on it and it moved the whole box down here. That's not what I want. So I'm going to use the back arrow to undo my last action. And I'm going to get it to where just this picture is selected. Very carefully, notice. I don't know if you could hear the time between those 2 clicks. If you double click on it really fast, like I'm used to, you move everything around, which is not what I wanted to do. So I'm going to go up here again to my 3 little dots. I'm looking for first grade that I need to upload. I'm going to go select the image. It's in Drive. It's in recent. I need first grade. And there it is. Now I could recrop this picture because I have some more room. I could zoom in on it if I wanted to. I want to leave them all about at the same zoom. I don't want to be really zoomed in on one and really far away on another. So I think for now I'm going to leave that one until I see what the second grade picture turns out to be. And then I can decide how I want to change those things. I'm going to select the image one last time. Google Drive, recent. I need the second grade picture that's going to show up here. And there it is. So I could crop it a little, but then this picture is going to be out of whack. I think I'm going to leave it just like it is. I'm going to double check through the rest of this. I need to go change that and make it accurate so that I know the last, and this is just a feature I added on this so I would know when I last updated things. Today's the 23rd. And then I'm going to go up here to publish. Then we can look at the live site, and then you are done. You've done everything you needed to do, resetting that. So here's a preview button. It's going to show me full screen what it looks like. It's February, students of the month. Here's everybody's everything. If anybody who visits the site and wants more information, there's a hyperlink. You can click on that, and it will take you to the set of slides that has everybody for this school year on their own slide. There's another video about how to embed that and make it autoplay as you work through things, but there's all of your information ready to communicate with your public. So, easy ways to replace the images on your site. Enjoy.